plastic tube and start the flow of oxygen. Remove it from the clip, remove your face mask, and then place the oxygen mask over your nose and mouth. Slip the elastic band over your head and tighten the straps. Oxygen is flowing even if the bag doesn't inflate. Please put on your own mask before helping others. This aircraft also has infant life vests that are located in a rear overhead bin identified with a placard. These will be distributed if necessary. Instructions on how to use an infant life vest on your safety card, which is located in your seat back pocket. Your seat cushion can be used as a flotation device. To use, pull the cushion from the seat, place your arms through the straps, and grab your wrists. Smoking and using e-cigarettes or smokeless tobacco are all not allowed on this aircraft. FAA regulations prohibit tampering with, disabling, or destroying the laboratory smoke detectors, and drinking personal alcohol. U.S. law also requires passengers to comply with lighted signs and crew member instructions. We'll be taking off soon. If you haven't already, please bring your seats back up, close those tray tables, and fasten your seatbelts. If you've adjusted a headrest, please move those back to the original position. We will be dimming the cabin lights in preparation for takeoff, and so that you can rest. We do recommend you fasten your seatbelt over your outermost layer of garment, making sure your face mask is covering both your nose and mouth. That way we don't disturb you. If you like additional light, individual reading lights are located in the panel above your seat. And thanks again for flying with us. We'll be back with more details about today's flight once we are in the air. Once again, our flight time, that is wheels up to wheels down, will be about 1 hour and 2 minutes to Minneapolis.